y'all, I'm Amy Domke and I'm the marketing manager here at Superior Threads. We are an industry leader in quality threads, needles, and notions, providing beloved tools for quilters and sewists. We are also committed to education, and I'm super excited to use this platform to share with you tips, tricks, tutorials, inspiration, or whatever you may need to tackle whatever project you're on. Superior Threads is based in Vancouver, Washington, where our team works hard to bring our customers excellent products and supportive customer services. I'll be your guide on this channel. Please allow me to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been sewing most of my life. I've been quilting for almost 3 decades. I've taught quilting classes, long arm classes, both here and internationally. And I use Superior Threads on all my projects. I live just outside Portland, Oregon with my husband and my 3 big dogs. I have 2 grown children who have benefited their whole lives from my creativity. I have made them bespoke costumes for dance, for plays, and I also got my start sewing by making competitive figure skating costumes to sell. I'm of the mindset that everyone should and could craft. It should be a source of creative joy for you. And I cannot wait to share knowledge with you and to create a crafting community right here with you. Providing beloved tools.
Beloved tools.
So allow me to tell you a little bit about myself. Okay, I don't know anything about myself. I'm an enigma. Okay, let's try this one more time. This will be the calm one, not me at all. So allow me to I have been quilting for let me start all over. Okay, this is it.